everybody, welcome to Kimono Kardio. This is Routine Chaise. Kimono Kardio, your no excuse workout. If I'm doing a kimono, you can do it what you're wearing. Kimono Kardio へようこそ。一緒に踊りましょうね。私は着物着てるけど、あなたは洋服でどうぞ。一緒に踊りましょう。It's a great way to warm up before you do actual workout. Get your blood flowing. It's low impact cardio. Doesn't take up much space. Doesn't take up much time. So there's no excuse why you can't do this every single day. In fact, you can even do it sitting down. So maybe you're not feeling so good. It's okay, we're gonna move with Kimono Kardio. Kimono Kardio. Your low impact cardio workout. And this is Routine Chaise, Kimono Kardio.一緒に踊りましょうね。毎日。これ時間もかからないし、場所もかからないし、座りながらでもどうぞ。できるよ。毎日やりましょう。You want to move every single day. You need to use it so you don't lose it. So even if you're not feeling so good, this is low impact. You can do it. I'm in a kimono and I'm doing it, so there's no excuse for you. If you're wearing a suit or a dress, Kimono Kardio, it's for you. Thank you very much. どうもありがとうございました。